Did you know that the food you eat has a direct impact on your overall well-being? Today we're diving deep into the world of nutrition to uncover the secrets of optimal health. Nutrition plays a crucial role in our lives, influencing everything from our energy levels to our immune system. By understanding the importance of a balanced diet, we can unlock the key to a healthier and happier life. In today's fast-paced world, many of us face common nutritional challenges that make it difficult to maintain a healthy diet. From busy schedules to tempting fast food options, sticking to nutritious choices can be a real struggle. So what are the key nutrients that our bodies need to thrive? Essential vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients all play a vital role in supporting our health and vitality. By focusing on a well-rounded diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, we can fuel our bodies for success. Imagine a success story where someone transformed their health through the power of good nutrition. Scientific breakthroughs have shown time and time again how the right foods can have a profound impact on our well-being, from weight management to disease prevention. As we wrap up our journey into the power of nutrition, remember the main benefits of prioritizing healthy eating. By making conscious choices about what we put into our bodies, we can experience increased energy, improved mood, and a reduced risk of chronic illnesses. Nutrition truly is the cornerstone of optimal health. I encourage you to explore more videos on nutrition and wellness on our channel. Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. Share your own experiences, ask questions, and join our community dedicated to achieving a healthier lifestyle. Together, we can unleash the power of nutrition for a brighter, healthier future. Thanks for watching.